In this video, we're sharing practical tips and strategies to help you save money, cut expenses, and stretch your budget further. Whether you're trying to build your savings, pay off debt, or simply live more frugally, these money-saving techniques will empower you to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. From everyday habits to strategic planning, we'll cover a wide range of strategies that you can implement immediately to start seeing real results. Here's a sneak peek at some of the tips we'll be sharing. Create a budget. Establishing a budget is the foundation of good financial management. We'll show you how to create a realistic budget that aligns with your income and financial goals, allowing you to track your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Track your expenses. Keeping track of your expenses is crucial for understanding where your money is going and identifying areas where you can save. We'll discuss different methods for tracking expenses, from apps to spreadsheets, and provide tips for staying consistent with your tracking efforts. Cut unnecessary expenses. Identify expenses that you can eliminate or reduce to free up more money in your budget. We'll share practical tips for cutting back on discretionary spending, such as dining out less often, canceling unused subscriptions, and shopping smarter. Negotiate bills and services. Don't be afraid to negotiate with service providers to lower your bills and save money. We'll offer tips for negotiating with utility companies, insurance providers, and other service providers to secure better rates and discounts. Shop smart. Learn how to be a savvy shopper and save money on everyday purchases. We'll share strategies for finding deals, using coupons and cashback apps, and making smart purchasing decisions to get the most value for your money. Plan meals and reduce food waste. Meal planning is an effective way to save money on groceries and reduce food waste. We'll discuss meal planning tips and tricks, as well as strategies for using up leftovers and minimizing food waste. Practice energy efficiency. Lowering your energy consumption can lead to significant savings on your utility bills. We'll share energy-saving tips for your home, such as adjusting thermostat settings, using energy-efficient appliances, and reducing water usage. Set savings goals. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of setting savings goals and strategies for reaching them. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a major purchase, setting specific goals can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives.